In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat a beat on Soundtrap. If you've got a drum pattern or a short musical idea that you want to extend into a full section, repeating it cleanly in Soundtrap is quick and precise. Let's get you set up and looping like a pro. First, head to the Soundtrap website for music makers in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the Login button and click it. On the next screen, choose Login with Google. When prompted, select your Google account to continue. After you're signed in, you'll land on your Soundtrap home area. Click Studio to open the workspace where your projects live. From here, open the project you're working on, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Now for the looping magic. Click to select the track that contains the beat you want to repeat. You're looking for the clip or region on the timeline that holds your beat. At the top right corner of that region, you'll see a small loop handle. Move your pointer over that corner until you see it change, then click and drag the handle to the right. As you drag, Soundtrap automatically creates seamless copies of that region, extending your beat across the timeline. A few tips to keep things tight and musical. Make sure Snap to Grid is enabled so the looped copies align exactly with the bar lines. This prevents tiny timing gaps that you might hear later. If you don't see the grid clearly, zoom in a bit for accuracy. Drag in full bar increments when your beat is 1 bar, 2 bars, or 4 bars long, and count those blocks as you extend to reach the exact length you need for your verse or chorus. If you drag too far, just pull the handle back to shorten it, or use undo if you want to revert. Be careful not to trim instead of loop. Trimming happens when you pull the bottom edge of the region, which changes its length. Looping happens from that top right loop handle and repeats the content in perfect cycles. Also, don't confuse this with the transport loop at the top of the screen. That feature loops playback, while the loop handle actually duplicates your beat on the timeline. Press play to audition your extended groove and make sure the transitions are smooth. If you notice any clicks, check that the region starts at the beginning of a bar and that your tempo matches the original beat. That's it, you've repeated your beat in Soundtrap, cleanly and quickly, ready to build your arrangement.